So if you want to cancel your Disney Plus free trial or subscription, it's actually very simple. And the same method will apply if you're on mobile, so carry on watching. So the first thing we need to do is go to disneyplus.com, now I'll leave a link in the description. And you want to go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already, just in the top right hand corner. So once you're signed into your account, you want to hover over your icon just in the top right and a drop down box will appear. And you want to go ahead and click on account. It's going to bring up a web page that looks like this with your account details. Now to cancel your subscription, you want to click on payment details. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on cancel subscription. So it's going to tell you some information about your cancellation, and I recommend reading through it. Basically what it's saying is that you'll still be able to use the Disney Plus services until your next billing date. And when your next billing date arrives, your Disney Plus will be fully cancelled and you'll no longer be able to use the services. If you don't know what your next billing date is, it should tell you just at the top here, and in this case it's the 30th of April. Don't worry, you won't be charged on this date. So if you're ready to cancel your subscription, just click on complete cancellation and your Disney Plus subscription will be fully cancelled. If you want to, you can also do this optional survey as well. And that is all you need to do to cancel your Disney Plus free trial or subscription. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating to Coffee with a link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.